Are you looking for the best robot vacuums? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best robot vacuums on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Roborock Revo Robot Vacuum and Mop. The Roborock Revo vacuums and wet mops simultaneously, using circular pads that spin at an impressive 200 rotations per minute. We found this high-speed scrubbing ensures floors are thoroughly cleaned, lifting dirt and debris effectively. Users with carpets up to 7 mm high don't even need to remove the mopping pads to vacuum, as the robot intelligently detects carpets and lifts the pads to prevent wetting. The pads also don't require removal after every use, thanks to the robot's self-cleaning and drying mechanism when it returns to its dock. The Revo features a rubber brush instead of traditional bristles, which helps reduce pet hair tangles, too. While we noticed a small amount of fur caught in the brush's corners during testing, it was never enough to cause a clog. The brush roll is also easily detachable for quick maintenance and cleaning, and its floating design adjusts seamlessly to uneven surfaces. In our hard floor cleaning tests, this vacuum performed exceptionally well, picking up nearly all the debris we scattered. However, like many models we've tested, it wasn't as thorough on carpets. While it effectively removed surface messes, some heavier, embedded debris like sand remained behind. The charging dock automatically empties the dustbin into a larger dust bag, a feature we appreciated. We also like that the dustbin includes a HEPA filter that's simple to pop out for washing or replacing. Using the companion app, you can schedule cleanings for specific rooms, set boundaries to restrict the robot's movement and track its cleaning route in real time. For rooms needing extra attention, the app allows you to adjust cleaning intensities easily, providing a customized cleaning experience. Number 2. Eufy BoostIQ RoboVac 11S Max. The Eufy 11S Max robot vacuum delivers high-end features, like automatic suction adjustment, at an incredibly appealing price point. Its sleek and ultra-slim design, standing just under 3 inches tall, allows it to easily glide under low-profile furniture like ottomans and couches, tackling even the hardest-to-reach dirt. We've previously tested and been impressed by other Eufy models, including the RoboVac G20 and RoboVac X8, both currently unavailable, so we're confident recommending this newer unit. Equipped with BoostIQ technology, it automatically increases suction power when detecting dirtier areas. We also like that its large wheels allow smooth transitions between medium pile carpet, hardwood, and tile, though it can't pass thresholds taller than 0.65 inches, so it may struggle with taller door ledges. Sensors on the underside prevent falls from ledges or stairs, while laser navigation ensures it maneuvers effectively without bumping into walls or furniture. The included remote control offers added convenience, allowing you to activate spot cleaning or focus on the edges of a room. Like most robot vacuums, the 11S Max is designed to return to its charging base when the battery runs low, fully recharging itself before its next cleaning session. Number 3. Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum XL RV2502AE. Shark AI's compact design and self-emptying bin make it a standout choice, especially for carpet cleaning. It's our best overall pick in our roundup of the best robot vacuums for carpet. Its streamlined footprint impressed us, and setup was a breeze. It's ready to clean with just the press of a button. The robot navigated tight spaces and cleaned under kitchen cabinet toe kicks without getting stuck. However, the LiDAR sensor on top makes it too tall to fit under some low-profile furniture. After methodically covering our test floors, the Shark returned to its dock and emptied every speck of debris it collected. On carpet, it performed exceptionally well, lifting nearly all debris in our tests. Impressively, during one trial, it even returned to pick up a missed piece of debris on its second pass. Be aware, though, that the dustbin emptying process is quite loud, but it lasts only about 20 seconds. The dustbin in the base is easy to remove and empty, and the filters in both the robot and the dock are washable, though only the base filter is HEPA certified. Other notable features include a self-cleaning brush roll that minimizes hair tangles, an ultra-clean mode that revisits areas 3 times for a deeper clean, and the ability to glide smoothly over lightweight rugs and mats that sometimes trip up other robots. The Shark Clean app enhances the robot's functionality with a high level of customization. Through the app, you can select specific rooms for cleaning, direct the robot to high-traffic areas, or send it to handle emergency messes. Without the app, the AI Ultra is more limited, but it remains a solid performer for general cleaning tasks. Number 4. Dyson 360 Vis Nav Robot Vacuum. Most of the robot vacuums we recommend are combination vacuum mop units, self-emptying models, or both. While these features are convenient, they typically require larger charging docks to accommodate a water tank or internal dust bag. While it lacks mopping or self-emptying capabilities, the Dyson 360 Vis Nav is a compact, reliable option for anyone prioritizing high-end vacuum performance. By focusing on the essentials, it saves space without sacrificing premium features like voice control, automatic suction adjustment, and scheduled cleaning. In our tests, this Dyson excelled at vacuuming. Its triple-action brush bar, which combines soft nylon, stiff bristles, and anti-static carbon fiber filaments, effectively prevents hair tangles and clogs. During our pet hair pickup tests, none of the faux fur caused clogs, and the brush bar's near full-width design allowed it to clean the same area in fewer passes. The Vis Nav also impressed us with its exceptional suction power. In our carpet pickup tests, it outperformed all other models at removing heavy debris like sand. While it doesn't have a self-emptying base, we found maintenance to be simple. The dustbin detaches easily, and a one-touch ejection button lets you quickly dispose of debris directly into the trash. Smart features elevate its usability. The app enables room mapping, no-go zones, and scheduled cleaning. It also generates heat maps showing the dirtiest and cleanest areas of your floors, with the vacuum adjusting suction levels in real time to tackle tough spots. Number 5. Dreame L10S Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. The DreameTech L10S Ultra navigated our test courses effortlessly, rarely bumping into obstacles and efficiently cleaning under low-profile furniture like sofas. With its long runtime, spacious dustbin, and excellent maneuverability, this model is a great choice for larger homes. The L10S Ultra functions as both a vacuum and a mop. On carpets, it automatically raises its mopping pads, allowing for seamless dry and wet cleaning in one session. In our tests, it excelled at removing pet hair from carpets, with none of the hair tangling in the brush roll or clogging the dustbin. It was all automatically emptied into the dock's spacious 3-liter dust bag. Transitioning from hard floors to carpets was smooth, as the mopping pads lifted promptly. We appreciated that the included cleaning solution has its own designated spot in the dock, eliminating the need to mix it manually into the water tank. During mopping, sticky stains noticeably lightened after just one pass. The dock also automatically washes and dries the mopping pads upon the robot's return. Among 10 comparable robots, the L10S Ultra earned the second highest maneuverability score. It expertly navigated around obstacles, cleaned tight edges and corners, and effectively picked up debris beneath furniture. The app stood out to us for its user-friendly design, allowing you to adjust water and suction levels, schedule cleaning tasks, and even view a live feed from the robot's camera. While it is one of the pricier models we've tested, we think the L10S Ultra's superior performance, advanced features, and ease of use make it well worth the investment.